Now the question is, can I get back in the bridge and come back the other way? Should I try it?
Up to you, man. I'm not gonna encourage you.
Yeah, I'll go back the other way and come through. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh no! Back again here at good old
Cine-WHOOPS Bridge,
Cine-WHOOPS Bridge.
Lake Harrington.
Yeah, if you remember, last time I tried to fly FPV down this abandoned bridge and it almost went in the drink. No, what happened?
Ooh,
did it go off?
Yeah, it hit the ground. No, it's still on the bridge.
But I've learned since then, Brad.
What have you learned, Ken?
I'm gonna try it with this. This is a little bit more stable. This is the Bumblebee Cine-WHOOP. And it's just gonna go down there and back. No problems at all.
You're gonna let me fly it first.
Nope. Okay, here we go. I did it!
You sure did.
Yeah! I did it! Can I go under the bridge? Yeah! Haha! What's this little sunken thing over here? Look at that!
There are wires over there.
Huh?
Wires.
Oh yeah. Now the question is, can I get back in the bridge and come back the other way? Should I try it?
Up to you, man. I'm not gonna encourage you.
Yeah, I'll go back the other way and come through. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh no! Is it on the bridge?
It's on the other side of the bridge.
But is it in the water?
I don't think so.
Oh!
But I mean, I don't know. It is exactly in the middle of this bridge.
Yeah, I don't know how that happened. Oh yeah. Well, the GoPro is fine. I'll need a new GoPro mount. It's unplugged. Yeah, we can fly that again. I'll just replace the propeller. It's worse than I thought.
Oh, only one motor's turning, right?
And I'm missing an antenna.
Yes, you are.
Is it down there somewhere?
I don't, well, I mean, we can walk down there and look. I bet it is.
Okay, only one. It doesn't look like there's going to be, no. No, that's it.
What causes that? What controls?
What causes that?
What?
A crash. A crash will cause that. No, the either a motor's burnt out or it's the ESC. I hope it's not the ESC, because the ESC on this one is part of the board and the board is $85. Damn it. Damn it to hell, son of a mother. Well, I guess that's it. I mean, I did it, but I didn't land it. I landed it last time on that lawn down there.
But no, this is twice that you have successfully avoided the water.
Yeah.
And this time it landed dead center in the middle of the bridge.
That is fortunate. Yeah, I mean, if you look at it that way, yeah. But I lost a battery. It landed on the battery and smushed it. Lost an antenna from DJI, couldn't recover that. Broke a prop, broke a duct, broke the carbon fiber. Boy, FPV sure is manic, isn't it? It's like, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. I'm gonna need some Prozac next time I fly this thing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for putting up with my horrible FPV skills. Don't forget, August 22nd in Brownsville, Tennessee, much better FPV pilots will be at Mindfield. There's a link in the description. And now here's Brad with the final word.
Buh.
And bye.
I've traveled the globe in search of rare birds. I have studied green herons, night herons, but today I'll bring you one of the rarest of them all, the great gray-crested Ken heron. This species has a very distinct behavior. Whenever Ken leaves an area, its call, which can be heard from miles around, is very distinctive, buh and bye.